Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a biometric payment card works in a simple step-by-step way. First, a biometric payment card looks like a normal debit or credit card, but it has an extra fingerprint sensor built into the card. This sensor helps verify the real cardholder before allowing a payment, making the card more secure and convenient. Next, when the user receives the card, they activate it through the bank's mobile app, website, or enrollment device. During this setup process, the user registers their fingerprint so the card can recognize the authorized owner. After that, the fingerprint is converted into an encrypted digital template. This means the actual fingerprint image is not stored like a photo. Instead, the card stores a protected biometric pattern inside its secure chip. Then, when the user wants to make a payment, they place the card near a contactless payment terminal or insert it into the terminal, depending on the payment method available. At the same time, the user places their registered finger on the fingerprint sensor of the card. Next, the card compares the fingerprint placed on the sensor with the encrypted biometric template stored inside the card. If the fingerprint matches, the card confirms that the real owner is making the payment. After verification, the transaction is authorized just like a regular chip card payment. The payment terminal receives the approved card signal and sends the transaction information through the secure payment network. Then, the encrypted transaction data travels from the payment terminal to the bank or payment processor. The bank checks the card details, available balance or credit limit, and security conditions before approving the payment. Once everything is approved, the payment terminal shows a successful message. This confirms that the biometric verification and payment authorization have been completed safely. After that, the user may receive a printed receipt from the terminal or a digital notification from the bank. This receipt or alert shows important information such as payment amount, date, time, and approval status. Finally, the main benefit of a biometric payment card is stronger security. The biometric data stays inside the card, it does not need to be shared with the merchant, and only the registered fingerprint can authorize the payment. This makes the card fast, private, secure, and easy to use. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.